There's another lot where they're going to build a house. They're going to build a house, well, they're trying to build a house right here as well. They're trying to build a house here as well. They're trying to build a house here as well, but I don't know when that's going to happen. But it looks like they're building a house right here. Looks like they're building a house right here. Looks like they're starting to build a house right here. It sucks that you can't go inside of houses getting built anymore. In the olden days, I would say about 5 years ago or so, it was okay to go inside of a house getting built. Like, I would say about 5 years ago, it was okay to go inside of a house getting built. Yeah. 5 years ago, it was okay to go inside of a house getting built. I went inside of houses getting built 5 years ago. I went inside of houses getting built 5 years ago, but now if you go inside of a house getting built, pussies call the police on you. Pussies call the police on you now. Pussies call the police on you now. And yes, the police come down and they bring you to the police station. So yeah, people now these days are pussies. And yeah, people now these days don't have balls. They don't have any nuts anymore. So yeah. So the world sucks now. Can't go inside of houses getting built anymore. I can't play on my playground anymore. Because houses getting built used to be my playground. Houses getting built used to be my playground. I used to play, I used to hang out in them. Well, walk around in them. They used to be my playground, but if you go inside of a house getting built now these days, the police come and you go to the police station. But yep. Yep. Yep, oh wow, huh. Yep. Quite a construction site. Quite a construction site. It's quite a construction site. Quite a construction site.